Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. If you like this content, please subscribe, click the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about Clear Vision Part 2. I'm going to go into a little bit different topic here than Part 1. So we'll jump in here, call this Clear Vision Part 2. So cleaning your glasses. Too many people are looking at the world through dirty glasses. They see price and chase price movements. What I need you to do is you need to clean your glasses off and you need to see value. Then place scenarios of price to see how it affects value. And apparently this is extremely difficult for people to do. So I want you to challenge yourself to unthinkable things. I want you to see, hey, look, what if we hit an energy shortage? How does that affect the portfolio? What if price goes far higher than I even imagine? What if technology becomes better at extracting minerals than today? Perhaps there's going to be other investments out there that have low ore grades that would be excellent investments. How do all of these things affect the value of your investments? And are you thinking about these things? Are you just chasing price, trying to get the best returns? Because that's not the best thing to do, in my opinion. So what I need you to do is I need you to gain more clarity, gaining clarity. I need you to be aggressive and the most hungry to buy investments when no one is buying. It's the least amount of risk. Leverage your technical analysis to the max when valuations are cheap. And don't know technical analysis, my suggestion would be to either learn it, or it'd be easier just to click the subscribe button and become part of the channel, because I can do that for you. Valuations and knowing value allows you to see the world more clearly, and it gives you the confidence to drive in the other direction of everyone else. Don't forget to smile as you drive in the other direction as everyone else, because you know what? They will tell you you are wrong. All you have to do is you have to be comfortable in knowing the value. Because if you know that value, you are gaining all the clarity that you need. So here's more clarity. Piece things together, this large puzzle. Piece it all together, this market, and gain even more clarity. Because that clarity that you gain by piecing things together in the market is going to pay off. The problem is it's going to take some work and it's going to take some understanding. And I can help you with that with this channel. You're going to have to educate yourself on investing and seeing value. This is the only way that you can make overly large returns. The only way. You need to know what you are doing. You need to manage your emotions, and with more confidence and wisdom, the emotions part will fall away. And what I call that is you're gaining clarity and internal peace. You are absolutely rock solid on your valuations. That is your clarity, and it will bring peace internally to you. You won't be stressed out about your investments, because you know what you have, you know the market conditions, and you can load up on the undervalued assets because you're educated about investing and seeing value. So seeing ultra clear. So we're not just gaining clarity here. We are looking at this with as much clarity as possible. Technical analysis allows you to see the markets through charts. This gives you a clear picture of what is going on. And if you really study technical analysis, you can see manipulation in the market sometimes. You can tie news to movements and figure out how they are manipulating those movements and those markets. You can get clear signals from the market through charts. You can see it and you can piece a story together by looking at these charts. You can see market psychology. You can see patterns and resistance and support. And timing purchases will become ever easier. And I think you can kind of see that, and tell on my channel what I'm doing. I'm looking at the extreme valuations and then tying technical analysis in with those valuations and ensuring that our investments have a very large tailwind behind us. It was always about clarity. So it was never about making money, and it's not. It was always about the person who sees the value most clearly. And I'm going to say that again because I think it's extremely important, and I don't think people understand this. It's not about making money. It's not about price movements. It's not about chasing the prices. It's nothing about that. It's not about what your account says in it. It was always about the person who sees the value most clearly. Clarity is what brings you wealth. Wealth is deserved by those who don't need it. Wealth is more than just money. It's your health, it's relationships that you have, it's your mental well-being, etc. And I know that's a little add-on there, but I want to reiterate one thing. It's not about, you're not going to make money because it's not about making money. Money will come to you when you start seeing value clearly. And that is what most people are missing when they are young. Or even just inexperienced investors, I'll say that. So the conclusion here is clarity is in seeing value, and that is what it's all about. The money will come after you make this change. I guarantee it. Don't chase gains. Chase value. Riding your bicycle on the path that no one takes allows you to see everything differently than those who are all riding in cars. Money will always chase value in the end, and especially if that value is severely underpriced. It just takes time. Clarity affords you the confidence to load up on every single pullback if you understand the value. So my question to everyone is, can you see clearly yet? And what are you waiting for if you can't see it clearly yet? What do you need in order to gain that clarity? What do you need in order to value these assets? I am here to support you guys. If you need more support on valuation, what do I need to do to help you do that? Because this is the most important thing to understand as an investor. I am putting names in front of you, and I've put some names in front of you. I've done gold, silver mining or royalty companies in front of you. I'm putting some speculative companies. I'm putting uranium companies. I'm putting oil and gas companies. You need to understand the value, not just of the companies, but of how to value the sectors, the ratios, how to know when something is cheap. Because if you understand how cheap something is, you are going to load up. Because that will be the epiphany. You're going to look at things completely different. You're going to say, well, holy crap, this is cheap. This could be valued 100 times more. Well, if it goes down 10%, who cares? I'm going to keep buying it. And then you just keep buying and buying and buying. It's a nonstop attack on that asset or that company that you know that is undervalued. Now, the fundamental analysis on some of these companies in commodity companies is very difficult because at bottoms, they're going to look absolutely horrible. So your valuation is going to have to come through the commodity itself in relationship to other assets. That's where it comes from. Then you have to know how to look at a balance sheet and say, are they going to go bankrupt or not? Then you got to use that technical analysis to gain better clarity to see what is the market telling me about this company? Are the volumes where people are loading up? Are they loading up on this company and I can see it in the charts? Does that chart pattern, does it have signatures of a bottom? Is it telling me and giving me signals to buy this asset? Now, if you have all of those things aligned and the markets and the tailwinds are behind you, that's when you load up. And that's where you one, become successful in seeing value, and two, that's when you gain the confidence and the clarity to hold that asset and continue to buy it. If you like this content, please subscribe, click the thumbs up button, leave some comments if you guys need some help, and hopefully you enjoyed this. This is Finding Value. Thank you.